Are you tired of feeling sluggish and drained after long work hours? What if I told you there's a simple exercise that can boost your energy, productivity, and overall health? Spoiler alert, it's the squat. Squats are the ultimate functional exercise, targeting multiple muscle groups in your lower body. They can be done anywhere, anytime, and require no equipment, making them perfect for busy professionals. By incorporating squats into your daily routine, you can improve your posture, which helps combat the negative effects of sitting for extended periods. Plus, they'll strengthen your core, providing essential support for your spine. Squats are also known to increase blood flow throughout your body, delivering much-needed oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain. This can lead to higher energy levels and better focus, allowing you to conquer your tasks with ease. Speaking of conquering tasks, squats can actually help you burn calories and shed excess weight. Who knew that a simple exercise could be so beneficial for both your physical and mental well-being? But wait, there's more. Squats can even enhance your flexibility, reducing the risk of injuries and promoting overall mobility. As you can see, the benefits of squatting between long work hours are truly endless. To recap, here are the key benefits of squatting between long work hours. Boosts energy and productivity. Improves posture and core strength. Increases blood flow and focus. Aids in weight loss and calorie burning. Enhances flexibility and injury prevention. So, are you ready to embrace the power of the squat? Give it a try during your next work break and experience the difference for yourself. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy squatting!